I made a pillowcase smaller without a sewing machine or cutting. Just put a smaller pillow into an oversized pillowcase as you normally do. Grab the fabric where the pillow ends and where the case ends. Tuck the extra fabric inside, spread it to the sides, and fold in the bottom edges too. Done! The pillowcase looks like it was made to fit perfectly. Not many people know this trick for washing a comforter, and it's a shame because it really makes life easier. Washing a comforter can be one of the most challenging household chores. Its large size often makes it difficult to clean thoroughly, but there's a simple trick that helps, and it involves an unusual item. Lay it flat on the floor, fold it in half lengthwise, and then roll it up like a fan. This way, it will easily fit into the drum. Comforters are best washed about once every 6 months in warm water, around 81 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, using a gentle or comforter cycle with an appropriate spin speed. To boost cleaning power and remove dirt and germs, toss a regular shopping bag into the drum. It can be any lightweight plastic bag, even one from your groceries. While it may sound odd, it helps the detergent foam up more, allowing the suds to reach every corner of the comforter. The result is fabric that's more thoroughly rinsed, fresher, and free of unpleasant odors, leaving your comforter perfectly clean and soft to the touch. Place the pillow in a trash bag and see what happens. Everyone knows that clean pillows are key to a good night's sleep. Despite using a pillowcase, yellow stains from sweat often appear, along with particles of skin and dust. Such a pillow quickly becomes a breeding ground for bacteria, fungi, and dust mites, leading to poor sleep and allergies. Pillows should be washed every few months. But what to do with them in the meantime? There's a simple way to refresh them in just a few minutes without the need for washing. Grab a trash bag, ensuring it's larger than the pillow you want to refresh. Also, get some baking soda ready. Place the pillow in the trash bag and sprinkle baking soda on it. Seal the bag and shake it to ensure the soda covers the entire pillow. Rotate the bag with the pillow on all sides. The soda needs to mix well in the bag, and when you peek inside, you'll see and feel the powder on the pillow's surface. Seal the bag again and leave it for several minutes. During this time, the soda will start working. Baking soda neutralizes unpleasant odors and absorbs excess moisture. After a few minutes, take the pillow out of the bag. There will be a lot of soda on it. Grab a vacuum and use a clean attachment to vacuum the pillow thoroughly from both sides. This will leave the pillow free of contaminants that could negatively impact your health and sleep. Without washing, it will be refreshed. The unpleasant odor of sweat and moisture, even if slight, will disappear. Some stains will fade or vanish. Your sleep will significantly improve, and all it takes is a few minutes and a bit of baking soda. Without a sewing machine or cutting the fabric, I resized a pillowcase. I use this trick whenever I have guests at home. I turn the pillowcase inside out and lay it flat. Then, I place the pillow against the shorter edge and fold the excess fabric over it. The pillowcase opening should face upwards. I slide my hand inside the opening and grab one corner of the pillow, pulling the case over it. I repeat this for the other side. Next, I turn the pillow right side out. Again, I slide my hand into the case and grab the protruding corner of the pillow, pulling it through. I do the same with the other corner and it's done. It's important to fold the fabric neatly to ensure a tidy appearance. This way, the pillowcase looks like it's perfectly sized for the pillow. Everything holds securely and looks great. The case doesn't slip off during sleep. A quick and easy trick. You have to try it. Put black pepper under your bed. It might sound like it doesn't make any sense, but it actually makes a lot of sense. This is a really clever trick that can solve many of your problems. All you need is 1 tablespoon of whole black peppercorns. Toss the pepper into a grinder and grind it up. Freshly ground pepper from a grinder has a better aroma than pre-ground pepper you buy at the store. Now, sprinkle the pepper around the windowsills, door frames, and even on your table. But the most important place to focus on is your bed. For a long-lasting effect, take some aluminum foil, place the pepper in the foil, fold it up, and then use a toothpick to poke holes in the packet. This way, the aroma will seep out through the holes and you'll avoid making a mess. Place this packet under your bed. It also works perfectly in your wardrobe. In a moment, I'll explain why. Another effective method is to mix the pepper with warm water. Take a jug of warm water and add the pepper. Let it sit for 24 hours, then strain the mixture through a filter. Use a funnel to pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Now, here's what it's for. Black pepper has a strong aroma that repels all sorts of insects like mosquitoes, wasps, moths, ants, bedbugs, and many others. Additionally, if the neighbor's cat does its business in your garden, you can spray the area with this pepper water solution. This mixture also deters mice and rats. As you can see, pepper has many uses beyond the kitchen. Ever since I tried this, I wake up feeling rested and more relaxed. Take a towel that's roughly the width of your door. It doesn't need to be a perfect fit. Lay the towel on the floor and gently slide it under the door gap, ensuring it's even on both sides. Roll the towel tightly, just like shown in the video. Next, use rubber bands to secure both ends of the towel on either side of the door. This will keep the towel from shifting or unrolling when you open or close the door. This way, the towel will fit snugly, creating an effective barrier against noise and light. It's a simple way to make your space more restful without investing in expensive insulation accessories. The towel blocks sounds and light that can disrupt sleep. Plus, this method allows you to easily adjust privacy and comfort levels in your bedroom, promoting better relaxation and recovery after a long day. You've been washing pillows wrong your whole life. This mixture will remove all the yellow stains from them without using a washing machine. If your pillows are dirty and stained, don't throw them away. They'll be like new after this video. And most importantly, without using a washing machine. Today I'll show you my secret for cleaning them. You just need a few ingredients to create the mixture. First, get an empty jug. Pour 300 milliliters of water into it. Our first mysterious ingredient is baking powder. Add a tablespoon to the jug. The next step is to add 4 tablespoons of vinegar. It has disinfecting and whitening properties. Now add 4 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. It will enhance the effects of the previous ingredients and eliminate bacteria and dust mites. Mix everything thoroughly. Prepare a bottle with a sprayer and pour our mixture through a funnel. Now all you have to do is spray the pillow thoroughly. This way, you'll remove stains without risking damaging the pillow in the washing machine. Don't skip any spots. Then wait for about 30 minutes. After this time, you'll see the first results. Then soak the pillow in a bowl or bucket for an hour. The effect will be even better. The pillow will be clean.